Are you ready for some science? I am. And today we're going to learn about minerals. Woohoo! Minerals you use every single day and you don't even realize it. This right here, inside of it, there's a mineral. I'm going to let you see if you can figure it out based on our video today. Yes, there is a mineral inside. Believe it or not. Do you have a baby brother or sister? Do they use baby powder? That's a mineral, or made from a mineral. Let's see what we can find out about minerals today. Minerals, just like the soil that we've seen, you can use your qualitative observations to make observations about them. And we're going to be doing that today. But first of all, let's look at some vocabulary that we might see when we see minerals. For instance, we might see luster. Yeah, luster. Luster is shiny, sparkly, or dull. It is. And then we might see the color. Color is obviously, like green, purple, orange, blue, yellow, white, tan. Some minerals have more than one color. Sometimes minerals can be more than one color in different ways. This one might be purple, this one might be green, but it might be the same mineral. See what we find out there. We're also going to learn about hardness. Hardness is how hard it is. Is it flimsy or really hard? We'll have to find out. There's other properties of minerals we can learn about too. Now you might be wondering exactly what is a mineral. Well, sometimes it's hard to tell the difference between a rock and a mineral. The trick is, though, rocks are actually made of minerals. So minerals have to be there first. And it is just basically earth material that has form and function for humans. So we can find them in mountains and boulders and rivers and the desert and the ocean. We can find minerals all over the place. In fact, people are searching for ways every day. There are scientists all over the world every day searching for ways to use minerals and places to get minerals from, because we can't get more. The earth has to make them, and it takes thousands and millions of years to make a mineral. One mineral takes forever. So every time we use them, we're using it quicker than we can get it, because we can't grow it. The earth has to. Earth does all the mineral processing. So minerals have different properties: color, luster, hardness, all kinds of different things. Anything you can use your qualitative senses to figure out about minerals, that's an observation. Sometimes we can use our quantitative observations too, like measuring the weight or measuring how big it is with a little tape measure, see how round it is, or let's see, anything that's going to force us to use a tool. Like we could use a spring scale and weigh it. All of those are options. Now, I want you to know how minerals are used in the real world. So we're going to watch a video of a little boy, and he's going to tell you about it. Hang on, buddy. You started too soon.
Minerals we use in our everyday lives. The first mineral I have is graphite, which can be found in pretty much pencils. The next mineral I have is lead, which is used primarily for the construction of batteries. Another mineral is copper, which can be found in pennies and the wiring that powers your lights. The next mineral is granite. An example of granite would be these countertops.
That's wood. Granite's really hard, by the way.
The next mineral I have here is aluminum. And a great example of aluminum is a pop can. Another mineral, talc, is used in the manufacturing of paper.
And baby powder!
Zinc is used in sunscreen. The next mineral, calcite, which can be found in optical instruments such as a camera. Another mineral, quartz, can sometimes be found in watches. The last mineral is sodium. An example of sodium is salt.
Yum,
We
yum.
use salt to help maintain fluid in our cells. We also use salt to flavor our food. What would popcorn be without a little salt?
That's right, buddy. We need salt. Believe it or not, you really do need salt. It's actually really important for you. Too much of something can be, too much of a good thing can still be bad though, so you gotta be careful. But what you've learned in this video, hopefully, is some ideas for observing minerals, maybe some vocabulary for observing minerals, like luster. Let's write those down. Luster, hardness, color. You're going to see these words today as we observe our minerals and figure out whether it's shiny or dull. Pearly, dull, sparkly, shiny, and whether it's hard or soft, or whether it's green or tan or red or pink. You're going to see all kinds of different things to do with your minerals. In fact, one thing to look for is the differences between the same minerals. Group 1 might have a quartz that's green, while Group 2 might have quartz that's purple and clear. You never know. Different minerals make different things. The earth makes the minerals. And I'm pretty sure I can't control the earth. So you never know what you're going to get. So I guess you could say that minerals are like a box of chocolates. You just never know what you're going to get. There's some food for a thought. See what you can observe today about minerals. What do you think you're going to find from your observations? We shall see.